Welcome back to Lesson 7. It's the one I've been waiting for all year. Hour of Code. You're right. Are you as excited as I am? People all across the world are going to be doing Hour of Code during the week of December 7th through 13th, 2020. Even the people that don't speak English will be doing it. So I have a video for you. I want to show you what it looks like when some kids do an hour of code.
Okay, now you're going to press run.
The hour of code!
This is so cool!
Hour of Code.
The hour of code?
Todos lo pueden hacer.
Ya programmy code. Man, chehilego gaat code.
Your teacher says you guys are into it.
We are. It's very awesome.
Students around the world had an hour of code today. It's part of a global movement to show kids what it takes to create the programs and apps they spend so much time using.
The largest education events in history.
Organizers set what they called an ambitious goal of reaching 10 million students this week. Almost 15 million signed up.
This week, I'm proud to join the students, teachers, businesses, and nonprofit organizations taking new steps to support computer science in America's schools.
You guys are already getting a head start on taking over the world.
I got it. They've been so excited about it.
Oh my gosh, it's working! I did it right!
They don't even have to be a computer science engineer. Maybe they want to do something else. But in our world, this is going to be the basis for everything that we do.
Move. Semicolon.
Look what I did.
It's so beautiful!
When you're building a program, you have to think outside of the box.
If you can change technology, you can change the world.
I challenge girls in every single country to learn 1 hour of code.
Every district should do, every district can do it.
Please help us get the hour of code to every school and every classroom and every child.
And my school's doing it.
All right, boys and girls, I have a challenge for you. I signed us up to do 400 hours of code for Sandy Hook Elementary School. I know we can do it. That's just 100 kids per grade in grades 1 to 4. And some of the preschoolers might even be able to do a little bit of it for us. So I think we could do it. If you think you could give it a try, I'm going to put some games over in the virtual computer lab. And what I want you to do is grab something like maybe your mom or dad's cell phone and use it for a timer. Or do you have a kitchen timer? And set it for 30 minutes. Let's do it in 30-minute sections. So maybe 2 times at 30 minutes, that would equal an hour, and that would really help. But first, let's see a couple of famous people that your folks might know. And they're going to be talking about computer coding and how it's so important.
Hi, I'm Leah.
And I'm Tanya.
And we're lucky enough to be studying computer science.
Hi, I'm Tanya.
We think it's terrible that 90% of schools don't teach it.
They definitely didn't offer it at my high school.
So we're trying to make this video to show that anybody can learn. We want to get 10 million students to do the hour of code.
Hour of Code.
Hour of code.
The hour of code.
Hour of code.
Hour of code.
Hour of Code.
The hour of code! How do you get him to get to the sunflower? He needs to do some actions.
I got it. Hey.
And then we'll run it and see what happens.
Amazing.
There we go.
You just wrote your first program.
I wrote it?
Yeah. This is the code that you just wrote.
Very awesome.
I thought like code was like FBI hacker symbols and stuff.
A little bit of problem solving, a little bit of logic. It's like instructions.
Programming is a lot easier today. Don't just play on your phone, program it.
All right.
Awesome.
How does someone go about getting a job?
Maybe take an online class, find a class at a community college. You could get one of the best paying jobs in the world.
I think medicine's moving into the whole computer age.
Technology touches every part of our lives. If you can create technology, you can change the world.
So we're excited that you are participating in today's Hour of Code.
We just did 2 lines of code. 3 lines of code! 4 lines.
7 lines.
5 lines.
Escribir 25 líneas de código. Man, chehilego gaat code. 5 lines
60 lines of code.
99 lines.
60 lines. 18 lines of code.
75 lines of code.
Doesn't matter how old you are.
Todos lo pueden hacer.
The hour of code.
Hour of code.
Ya programme ako.
The hour of code.
The hour of code.
The hour of code.
Whether you're a young man or a young woman, whether you live in a city or a rural area,
Everybody in this country should learn how to program a computer.
And I just completed the hour of code.
It's actually really easy to learn.
Girls should learn this too.
Understand that language. That's going to be the future.
Anyone can learn computer science. And you can learn too.
Jack Dorsey, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, all of y'all. I'm learning.
Give it a shot.
Here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country. Here we go.
So now, boys and girls, are you ready to help me? I'm going to head over to the virtual computer lab where I actually already have up my technology page. Let me show it to you and let you see what it looks like. Right past the hour of code, you should see the smiley face and the laptop computer. These are the easiest two to do. But if you're older, in grades 1, even through 12th grade, you could try these as well. The one that works the best there is Dance Party in Minecraft. But everybody should start out with the smiley face first. All right, so you have a timer, right? I'm just going to look at the clock. So what you do when you're first learning is you just drag and drop. And you're going to do this. It's like a puzzle piece. And then it's going to come to Angry Bird. Now, preschool and kindergarten, you should stop at that point. After you get done with puzzles, you're good. And you should go on to something like Starfall. But the older kids in grades 1 on up, they're going to want to keep on going till they can't go anymore. It's going to be great. And some of you remember this from last year. So I encourage you to give it a try. Just drag and drop. This is called blocking. And actually, as you get going, it's going to show you the computer programming. It's not showing it right yet, but it will once you get to that level. Just keep on going. After you get all these puzzles done, it gives you a new set. After you get Angry Birds done, it'll give you a new game. Think you can try it? I'm already on level 8. Give it a try. Let me know how you do. Bye.